In this video, we will observe a drawback of an array, and to show you the drawback, I type a program. Let us see that program. Here you see a simple program, and I tell you that this program, I have typed this program thinking that suppose a student coming to me, and he says that he passed an examination, and in that examination he has got some percentage. So I note down his or her percentage, and thereafter one more student comes. He or she also says his her percentage, and this order continues, and I am interested to know the average percentage of all. And suppose the percentage told by the student is in integer. So since the first, suppose the first student comes and he says that his percentage is 75, so the average will be 75, and thereafter one more student comes and he says that his or her percentage is 85, then average becomes 80. So thinking these things in my mind, I have typed a program that you see on the screen. Let me run this program and see the outputs are according to my thinking or not. I run this program. It says save the program. So I save in the name of average of students coming. Okay, and thereafter I save and it is running. You see the screen. Here it says it is asking for the data number 1. The data number 1 means the first student that has come to me. So I accordingly placing 75 here, 75. So for the student here you see 75, and there is large numbers of zeros here, so I modify the present program a little, not too much, a little. And the first modification is here, \n, and second I take the average. For the average, this will ensure that the average will come out up to 1 decimal place. Now I run this again. You see the output. Here is the output, and it says enter the data number 1. So I place, as I said, the first student. The average marks, a student has many subjects, and certainly there will be an average of those subjects. I take the average in nearest integer. So suppose the average of first student is 75. So I placed 75, and thereafter I am pressing the key enter. So it says the same. You see here the average is 75. Now the second student comes, and suppose he has got 85%. So I placed 85 here, and thereafter I press the key enter. So obviously average will be 80, because 75 plus 85 by 2. If you do, then you will get 80. And in such a way, we students continue to come, and their average, this program, you see the beauty of a C program. This program is giving the averages. So Suppose the third student has got 80%, and you know average of these three, 75, 85 and 80 will be 80. You can do yourself, and you see the same. So students will come, and this program will give you the average. But suppose I am getting only 3 students here, 1, 2, 3, only 3 students. Then there is a wastage of memory block, because I here typed this program to show you a drawback of the array. Here you see the array name is A and its size is 10, but in the output you saw that I have taken only 3 students. So this means that 7 memory blocks has gone wasted, because this array, you know, when you declare an array, this declaration is only possible when you have the size. You can't declare an array without its size, and when you declare an array, then obviously you will declare the size as well. You have declared an array of size 10, but in this program, in the output of this program, I have used only 3 memory blocks. So 7 memory blocks get wasted. So this is a drawback of this array, and hence the memory allocation done by an array is called static memory allocation. Static memory allocation. And there is a way in C program to get dynamic memory allocation. I will show you how can we get dynamic memory allocation. Dynamic memory allocation ensures the memory allocation during the runtime. This means that when we need, we can create a memory. But here in this array, you have to create memory first, and thereafter you go. So obviously there may be wastage of memory blocks. So I only name that function which prevents such memory wastage, and the name of that function is malloc function. Using malloc function, such type of wastage can be prevented. And about that malloc function we will see in the next program. Okay, thanks.